In this video, I'll show you how to get your Venmo account unfrozen. By the way, if you're a business owner, Venmo probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. The first thing you want to do when your Venmo account is frozen is check your email. Venmo usually sends an email explaining why your account was frozen, and it may include instructions on how to resolve the issue. Following these instructions carefully can often be the fastest way to get your account back up and running. If your account was frozen due to a negative balance, you'll need to pay off any outstanding amount. Open the Venmo app or website and add funds to your Venmo balance. You can do this using a linked bank account, a debit card, or a credit card. Alternatively, if you have another payment method, you can use that to cover the owed amount. Paying off negative balances is one of the most common reasons for accounts being frozen, so this step is critical. If your account is still frozen even after following the email instructions and clearing any negative balances, the next step is to contact Venmo Support. Start by opening the Venmo app, then tap on the settings icon at the top right of the screen. From there, tap Get Help, and then select Help Center. In the Help Center, you'll see the option to chat with us. Use this to speak directly with a Venmo customer support representative. When you connect with support, explain your situation clearly. Let them know your account was frozen, confirm that you've paid off any negative balances, and ask for guidance on the next steps. Venmo Support may provide additional instructions or verify your account information to unfreeze your account. There are also other options available in the Help Center that may assist with specific account issues, so make sure to explore those if needed. Venmo is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Venmo offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.